Front stretch. Front kick. 45. Roundhouse. Out in. Very good. Anong sunod ng inyong, ay, sabi ko nga na, evolve na ang mga sitting position. Yung nakita ko na, kung na-relax na ang legs, sit cross na. Kung ano, lagi naman ang sit down. Ready, and go. Guys, again, anong sunod ng kicking techniques? Kicking combination. Ano ba yung kicking combination? Any kick? Saan kayo pupunta? Moving forward. How many seconds? 20. Again, anong sunod? Kicking combinations. Ano yun? Any kick? Ginamemorize ko balik na ito. Kicking combination. Ano kaya ang kicking combination? Moving forward. Any kick? Ilang seconds? 20 seconds. O, anong sunod? Anong pumuse ang i-perform? Foundation number 1 and 2. Anong sunod? Self-defense. Ilan ang self-defense ninyo? 5. Ano ang self-defense number 1? Neck chop, neck chop. Neck chop, neck chop. Ano ang self-defense number 2? Block punch, tapos double punch. So number 2, ano number 3? Ayun, madali pa ba? Step back, high block, high punch sa face. Oh. Then, ano number 4? Pero ano munang gawin? Step back. Again, ulitin, step back. Again, anong self-defense number 4? Step back on heel. Step forward. Double. Dito again, guys, step back on heel, step forward, double punch. Again, self-defense number 4. Step back on heel, step forward, double punch. Ano number 5? Side step. Front foot. Side kick. So side step, front foot, side kick. Don't forget to finish it on guard. Understood, everyone? Yes, ma'am. Okay. So everybody stand up.